Hey guys, I'm KwaK, and today I'm going to show you how to make Muddy Buddies. You know, these little guys. Alright, so this is everything that we're going to need. First of all, we want our Chex breakfast cereal. You can choose your favorite type of chocolate. Any chocolate will do, maybe. You want a bag of icing sugar, and then also you want a pot of water, and then a bowl to melt the chocolate in on top. Oh, and also one of these baggy boys. Okay, now that we have everything ready, we want to cut up our chocolate so we can get ready to melt it, but we'll speed this up, so yeah, you don't have to watch it. Actually, you know what, I just realized the first thing we should probably do is put the stove on so we can let our pot of water boil instead of having to wait for it once we're done chopping. Okay, now we want to chop a block of chocolate like they do in the baking shows and like all those cooking shows and stuff. And then we take those bits and we just put it into the bowl. Okay, now we're going to take that bowl of chocolate and put it on top of the boiling water to let it steam and melt while we forget to record once again. Hi Sifa. Now once the chocolate is done melting, you can take it off of the element and don't forget to turn off the stove as well. And then you can go back to your ingredients. This is the hard part if you're by yourself. But yeah, you just put the Chex mix inside the baggy boy. But I'm gonna super speed this up because yeah, I had a rough time. I think I ended up just giving up and putting it all in by hand, as you've probably seen a second. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh yeah, I only did half a bag as well, just because I thought maybe a full bag might be a bit much. But yeah, anyways, so after you put the Chex in, you're going to put the melted chocolate into the bag. The best way you can. That wasn't the smartest. It's actually kind of hot. I forgot there's steam underneath. But yeah, whatever works best for you. I ended up just scooping it all in. It's also probably not the best way, but hey. Anyways, once you've done that, you can seal up that baggy boy, and then you're just going to shake it up. Make sure you get those Chex all covered in chocolate. I know some people put like peanut butter with it as well, but like you probably use whatever chocolate you want, to be honest. I just went for my fave. Now I did end up putting the rest of the Chex mix into the bag, but yeah, probably should have left it as it was. Once you're happy with your little bag, you're going to find a place to put it in the freezer. Once you found one, you're going to chuck it in the fridge, or freezer, whatever. Chuck it in the fridge to chill until chilled, and then you can give your cat a pat for good luck. But unfortunately for me, my cat doesn't like pets. Yeah. By this point, you're basically done, so don't forget to clean up after yourself. Alright, after an hour, maybe 2 hours, you're basically done. You can take it out of the fridge. You're going to put in 2 tablespoons of icing sugar. Just two. Yeah, alright, now you're going to shake it up as much as you want. Yeah, get it all in there.